Uh, what do I want to say? Uh, I just want to make a matter of record. I'm the free man. I'm not the
I can
fictitious.
see that. I can see that. You're not calling from a prison yard.
No, no,
Okay,
not at all.
all right.
Okay,
Is that
and I
all?
also like to make a
All of
matter
this
of
is
record. I like to make a matter of
all of
record
this
too.
is for TV, by the
Uh,
way. Go ahead.
well, it's being recorded on both ends, your end and my end. So, also like to make a matter of records. I would like to know if the bonds is in court today.
What?
The bonds, the surety bonds that's created for this case.
You have a $0 bond.
No, the surety bonds that's sitting on your desk. When you flip open the file, are they sitting on your desk today? I want to make a matter of record that they are in court.
I have no clue what you're talking about. If there's nothing further, Mr. Little, have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
And welcome to Facts or Frauds.
City of Detroit versus Brandon, let's strike that, Bernard Brandon Little, case numbers SP 1695294, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1695296, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Little, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Grand Rising. First of all, Your Honor, I'm your magistrate. I would like to know, do you recognize that a man standing before you?
Stand up, stand up. Stand up to the
I'm
podium.
at the podium right here.
No, stand up to the podium.
Your Honor.
All right. No, we're not gonna do this your
I'm
way.
standing at your podium because under duress, I'm standing at your
We're
podium.
gonna do this my way.
Yes, sir. We are
All
gonna
right.
do it your way.
All right. State your name for the record again, please.
For matter of record, Your Honor, do you recognize that a man standing before you?
I do.
All right. For the record, my name is Bernard Brandon Little. Not the fictional, not the all caps, but the man.
Okay. Now, indicated you wanted to make a record. I was allowing you to make that record. You indicated some things in the record.
I indicated on the record that you stated that I was a man, a live man, not fictional.
No, we off the record when you were.
No, we're on the record.
Listen,
Your
listen.
Honor, did you recognize that a man standing before you? Your Honor,
Listen, sir.
your magistrate.
Mr. Little.
I'm asking you.
Mr. Little,
Yes.
you don't ask the questions. I ask the questions.
No, you don't, Your Honor. No, you don't.
All right.
You're a magistrate.
All right, listen.
You don't have the authority. You
That's
don't have
it.
the authority, Your Honor. You're a
Listen,
magistrate.
listen,
You don't
sir,
have
I'm
the
not gonna
authority.
keep going back and forth with
You're
you.
not going back and forth with me.
Put him out.
Yeah, put it up.
And don't, I don't need your comment either. Whoever made the comment.
So,
Get out.
you're refusing me?
Get out.
You're refusing me, Your Honor?
Get him out.
I need to answer, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
No problem. I got you.
Good morning, Mr. Little.
Man, right.
Now, here's the deal. When I speak, you don't talk, okay? I'm gonna give you an opportunity to speak. I'll give you your opportunity to speak, whatever you need to do to put on the record. But when I'm talking, you don't talk, okay? And I'll let you know when I'm ready to hear what you have to say, okay? That's how it's gonna work in here. But let me go off the record now. Ms. Snyder, I have, good morning, you have Mr. Little here. Now, they canceled the jury trial yesterday not because you were out sick, but first and foremost, we had an issue, Mr. Little and I yesterday, and that resulted in me putting him out of my courtroom. Since then, I had this Mathis speak to Miss Walker, and they canceled the jury. Mr. Little is here. How do you want to proceed with this?
I would defer to Your Honor. I know I've spoken to Mr. Little before. I don't believe he'd be interested in discussing any offers or anything like that. Although if he'd like to, of course, I'm willing to discuss it with him. I would just ask that we set a. I don't know.
No, he says no.
I would ask that we set a new jury trial date at least 2 weeks out, so I have time to send out subpoenas.
Let's see the closest time we can have a jury trial this night, this first night. Go ahead.
If I'm not I'm not incorrect, today was the trial. You asked me to come in yesterday for like a pre-trial. Today was supposed to be for trial.
Right, but you messed that up.
Well, that was for yesterday. Today is a whole new day. Today, you said it's trial for today. So,
We're not gonna get.
no, I'm trying to understand you.
We're gonna get understanding. You messed that up.
Okay, I get that. I get that.
All right. So that was the pretext for this. So since you messed that up, we have to reset this.
No problem. No
So we
problem.
want to make sure that everybody's on board and is gonna be heard. Now, we'll reset this, and I'm gonna get you as quick as I possibly can. Because I understand that you have a right to a speedy trial. What is the 22nd of this month?
That's a Tuesday.
Then that's the date that you have?
Yes, I have other dates.
All right, now let's do it on the 22nd. We're gonna get it sooner rather than later.
Thank you,
All
sir.
right, let's call this. Step up, Mr. Little, please. And now I'm gonna let you make your record today too. We're gonna make it in an orderly fashion. I speak, I'll let you speak, okay?
Gotcha.
City of Detroit versus Bernard Brandon Little. Case numbers SP 1695294, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1695296, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
For the record, Brandon Little, a live man, living man. I'm here on arrest, poison, and force.
Snyder.
Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a jury trial, was set for a jury trial for the reasons mentioned. I'll put them on the record. We had, me and Mr. Little and I had a misunderstanding. I think Mr. Little had a misunderstanding. I wasn't misunderstood yesterday. That was the final pre-trial. And because of that incident yesterday, we canceled the jury trial that was set for today. We're going to reset this jury trial for the 22nd of July at 9:30. We're going to also set a final pretrial again, and this, for the record, I want all parties to appear. You don't have to be in person, you can be on Zoom. But for the jury trial, you have to appear. But I just want to make sure that final pretrial date is set so that all the officers, that we know that the officers are ready to proceed, we know the city's ready to proceed, and we know you're ready to proceed, which I believe you're going to, I know you're going to be here ready to proceed. So let's make that final pretrial on the 21st. And then have a jury trial on the 22nd. All parties need to be here on the 22nd in person. So let me get this correct. All parties need to be here on the final pre-trial. They do not have to be in person. They can be on Zoom. But for the 22nd jury trial, all parties need to appear. Now, there's going to be an exchange of jury instructions. You need to get with the city on that, and you may want to talk to the city before you leave on how you want your jury instructions. And if there's an issue with jury instructions, then we'll discuss that on the final pretrial. But maybe you need to get with the city before you leave. So
I got a pamphlet on it.
All right, so that you guys can establish that we can come to an agreement on the jury instructions. At this time, I'm going to let you make your record. Okay. Speak up.
For a matter of record, I'm just here under duress. My name is Bernard Brandon Little. Of course, come here. I no desire to be here. I'm a live living man. I should be here for all caps. It's just business. I'm not here for business. That capacity.
Is that your record? Okay. All right, anything further, Ms. Snyder? Where did she go? There's nothing further. That's how we'll proceed. Final pretrial, the 21st at 8:30, and the jury trial on the 22nd at 9:30. All right. All right. Now, do you want to speak with the city? Make sure that.
I have no desire to.
Okay, very well. Best of luck to you, Mr. Little. Have a very good rest of your day.
Do you think this show is educational? Yes, it'll drive people to read books.
And thanks for joining us on Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, you're subscribed, and ring that bell. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And a huge thank you to all of our Facts or Frauds channel members. And if you're still hanging out, thank you. I appreciate you all. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and ring that bell. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Till next time, I'll see you soon.